Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start dropshipping on Amazon.com. Now, Amazon.com is one of the biggest platforms that is available on the industry, on the internet today, and we all know how strong and big Amazon is. And one of the major things that you need to understand before you get into this segment is the fact that what and how can you sell effectively, efficiently on Amazon. There's so many opportunities available for us today that there's very difficult to understand what we should and what we should not do, and that is the reason why we're making all these amazing videos for you guys, to give you an opportunity to see exactly what and how you need to do it, and the strategies that you need to select, implement, execute to become successful dropshippers on Amazon.com. Now, one of the major things that you need to understand before you get into Amazon is how can you sell products on Amazon and make money. And obviously we're going to show you exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it in order to become financially independent and get the financial freedom that you always wanted. And for you to do that, you first need to understand the dynamics of this industry. And after understanding it, you need to start using the methodologies that are available. The first thing that you need to do is head over to understand how to start selling on Amazon. Whether you've already got an established e-commerce business or a great idea for a new product, you can sell it on Amazon. And the first thing that you need to do is understand you have to choose a selling plan. With the individual plan, you'll have to pay 99 cents every time you sell a product, and obviously the professional plan costs $39.99, and it doesn't matter how many items you sell. Now, one of the major things which I mentioned to everyone is to start off small, then gradually start building your business up. You can consider your selling strategy, which is crucial and which we're going to talk about. You can look at the perfect launch of the 5-step for the first 90 days. First thing you need to do is create an Amazon seller's account, and then you can go mobile with the apps that are available. Then you start adding your product, and there's so many products available to add from because you have an unlimited number of categories that are available. But one of the major things that you have to keep in mind is select a particular niche, a product that is evergreen, that breaks through the limitations of age, of gender, location, and even season. So whenever you select a particular product, make sure that they will be able to sell it in any time during the year. And it doesn't matter if there's a male or female that buys it, no matter what the age group is. It could be someone for 10 years old, 15, 20, 30 years old. It should be an evergreen product. Then you have your product listing detail that you need to put, and the product detail page that gives a complete breakdown from the title, the images, the variation, the bullet points, the featured offer, the other offers, and the description. Once you've done all of that, you can start attracting customers and provide fast shipping and advertise your offers, and you can even set competitive prices. And after your first sale, you get your customer reviews to ensure that you're always up to date. Now, there's a methodology that I want to talk about, which is called FBA. That literally means fulfillment by Amazon, where you let Amazon pick, pack, and ship your orders. So there's nothing that you need to do, because the FBA is a service that allows business to outsource orders to fulfillment to Amazon, and businesses send products to Amazon fulfillment centers. And when a customer makes a purchase, they pick it, they pack it, and they ship it. They also provide customer service and process returns to those orders. And obviously it's for a little fee, but what happens is that you don't need to worry about anything. You can quickly set up an FBA in 4 steps. You can set up an FBA, create products, prepare the products, and ship them to Amazon. It's quite simple and straightforward, guys. And that is the reason I always recommend individuals to go for FBA, because Amazon understands exactly what they need to do, and they have one of the best customer services available on the globe at this moment in time. So you know that you're always in safe hands. And obviously by using FBA, you will always have that peace of mind that your business is going to grow in the right direction. You can ship your products in the free 2-day shipping with free shipping available as well. Customers get Amazon trusted customer service and returns, and the services let the business scale up really quick. And that is the reason why I mentioned that it's cost effective, and you can save so much on storage and fulfillment fee and inventory management that is available through FBA. It's quite simple and straightforward. So how do you start? It is simple. First thing that you need to do is search for a product. And like I mentioned, we are picking a product that is evergreen, a product that has a lot of attraction. And the reason I absolutely love this product, which is the phone case, is because no matter where you are on the globe, it could be Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, Argentina, Russia, China, UK, US, or even Canada, you will have a cell phone, and if you have a cell phone, you will need a cover for that cell phone to protect that cell phone. And no matter what age group you are, you could be 10, 20, 30, 50, 60, 80, 100, you could be male or female, it doesn't make a difference. The main point is that this is a product that is being sold every single week of the year, and everyone is buying it because it is a need of individuals. And you can clearly see that this is a product which is costing $35, $39, $17, $8, $7. Now this is a element over here that you need to understand, that the prices of these products are available in front of you and they're making massive profits. The lowest one is for $5 and the average price is around $15 to $20. So how can you make a profit off this element? What you need to do is head over to AliExpress, and as you reach AliExpress, you can easily find all these elements available. So we're going to search for a phone case. Now as we search for phone cases, we'll see how much these phone cases are actually worth on AliExpress. Now you can clearly see this is a product worth $8. This is a product worth $4. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find even cheaper products, $1.99, and 26,891 have been sold. This product is worth 99 cents and 3,765 have been sold. This is a product worth $1.36 and 13,749 have been sold. And this is a product for $1.79 and 12,197 have been sold. You can clearly see the actual selling elements available over here, the people that they're buying it and the price they're buying it. Now if we head back over to Amazon, you can see $7, $9, $24, $39, $22, $27, $25, and you're buying this product for $1. Imagine if you're able to sell for 1,000 individuals at the price range of $19.99 or $14.99, how much money you can make. And that is the reason why a lot of individuals that are using Amazon have become financially independent. They're broken away from the 9 to 5 and got the financial freedom that they always needed and dreamed about, and they're living a life of passive income where every single month they're making millions of dollars off just one product. And so could you. Get this product from AliExpress, sell it on Amazon, and you're gonna make a lot of profit. But if you want to take matters even to the next level, head over to Alibaba.com, where you cut out the middleman and you go directly to the source to get these phone cases. And obviously this is gonna be even cheaper than AliExpress, guys. Just look at the prices that are available for these products: 78 cents, 45 cents. Imagine getting this product for 78 cents and selling it on Amazon for $35. That is a massive profit that you could make by just selling a couple of phone cases and make a lot of profit off it. So let's open and check this product out. You can get this for 78 cents, guys. You can get it for 87 if the actual quantity is less, but you can make a massive profit. Even if you get it for $1.16, you're selling it for $14.99 or $19.99 on Amazon, and you can make so much money off it. That is the reason why Amazon has become the place where you have a lot of millionaires being created, because they understand this strategy, they implement this strategy, they execute this strategy, and they effectively sell these products on Amazon. And by using FBA, you don't need to do anything. All you need to do is get that product and hand it over to Amazon, and they take care of the rest for you. It is as simple and straightforward as that, guys. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.